This always takes a long time for me, just trying to figure out how I want to start the video, and it's really not that important. I just say, hey guys, I got this thing going on, but you know.
So just do it.
Thinking about it. That's the recording program, the audio recording.
Oh, you're recording. Don't say bad things.
Victoria has a cunt! Now you're in shot. Now
I'm
you're
sorry.
not.
You can cut it off.
No.
Hi guys, I am SnapJelly girlfriend. I'm Brazilian.
I am gonna cut that out.
Of course you will, so just cut everything out.
Everything. I'm not gonna make a video at all. Greetings, traveler. I'm SnapJelly, and I got a box. Now guess what's inside? Guess what's inside?
A sword.
No, it's a dildo. It's not a dildo. I wanted to make a lot of unboxing videos before, but usually when they arrive, I get too excited and I open them right away and I forget to make an unboxing video. Now, it doesn't help that I'm absolutely terrible at unboxing things. I'm just warning you beforehand. I didn't even get a knife ready. So this is gonna be... Do you want to make a cameo?
Sure.
Wanna hand me the box?
I hate that.
Like one of them skanky girls at the boxing matches with the signs.
Thanks.
You know?
How would you do that?
I don't know.
Why do you have to wear it?
I don't know. I already had the box in my hand. There you go. Beautiful. I'll use the scissors. Scissors work, I think.
You can open this sword with a sword.
Yeah. No. I need a clickbaity title for this video as well. Because sword unboxing is boring. Opening my girlfriend's box. What's inside?
It's not mine.
No, it's addressed to me actually. But you know, whatever. You handed it to me. Opening my girlfriend's box and finding a sword? Not clickbait. That's gonna be the title of this video now.
Okay. Are you stabbing a box?
Yes. I said I was the worst at this and I meant it. Oh, it's not another.
Let's go with this roll.
Oh, it's I opened the wrong side. This is the blade side.
Brilliant.
Yes. This comes to show that if you do something a lot, doesn't mean that you're good at it.
I do a lot.
Yes, I open a lot of boxes.
Ooh.
Nice. Got it. I got this off of recommendation from a friend, from Stan, who already has one. This is the tower hanger from Armor Class. And it is, I forgot all the proportions of it because the waiting time for this was 22 fucking weeks. I'm glad it arrived, actually. It's nice. Wanna feel my sword, Victoria?
Yeah, sure.
Wanna handle my sword?
I'm gonna walk your sword.
Yeah, what's my sword? Don't touch my sword, it rusts. Here, feel.
What kind of sword is that?
This is, they call it, a crude proto-mortuary hilt.
Nice.
You'd have no idea what that means.
No, I don't, but sounds nice. Interesting.
That's basically everything an unboxing video is. So exciting.
It's not heavy at all. I thought it was... Oh yeah, I'm stupid.
Yeah, swords aren't heavy, Victoria.
No, but I was looking, I'm expecting it should be heavier.
It's actually not as short as I thought it would be. I thought it would be a lot shorter. This is the worst video so far that I've ever made. This is not going well at all.
You can pretend and do it again.
Yeah, I'm just gonna package the sword again.
Yeah, just put more tape.
Put more, more tape around it. It's too big, it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit. Was what I said.
Haha. Nasty.
There's nothing too big besides your sword.
Haha. More nasty. This is actually quite a pickle. I wanted this to be in the frame, but it doesn't fit anywhere. Well, I have no idea where to hang this. How about you just stand in the background and hold it for me?
Sure. I'm gonna feel very stupid.
That's fine. Just
Holding.
Okay, you just go over here.
Yeah.
Like that. Make sure it's proper.
Yeah.
Like that, maybe. This way.
Yeah.
There you
I
go.
look stupid.
You're just gonna stand there now for forever. You're background decoration now.
Okay. Just doing, but why?
I don't know. I wanted because I like this sword. It's a type of sword that I don't have yet.
Okay.
And I wanted it to be in frame, but it doesn't fit anywhere.
Why don't you hold it?
Yeah, all the time.
No, I like to hold it.
Oh, fine.
No, I'm ridiculous.
Absolutely terrible. Are you're afraid? You're afraid of the camera? There are probably worse videos of you online. Haha.
They don't show my face.
Ah. Sure. In that case, nobody recognizes you. It's fine.
Maybe your fans are also my fans too. Can I lick it?
Yeah. Go for it.
I'm not going to do that.
But just slow and
I'm
sensual.
not going to do that.
Why not? Now do a close up of that.
Oh my god.
Lick my sword. Oh yeah.
Oh, see dudes.
Now I have to clean
Envy
it.
me. I'm licking SnapJelly swords.
Now I have to clean it. God damn it. That was the video. I have nothing interesting to say. Goodbye.
Bye! Oh my god, what a shame.
There we go. I'm just gonna upload that. I don't care.
It's a nice sword.
Worst unboxing video in history.
Hilarious.
See, this is why you keep them in the fridge. They get soggy and disgusting. You took one bite out of this?
No.
Who takes one bite out of a donut?
Just see if I like the covering.
You don't like?
No.
You want the yellow one?
No, I hate the yellow one. Tastes like something that I don't know what is it, but I don't like.
You tasted the yellow one as well?
Yeah, you can see. I think there's a bite somewhere.
You just licked them.
Yeah. I like to lick things. I just licked your sword.
True.
Twice in the morning.
Haha. Gross.
I don't understand why Kyle keeps liking my Portuguese Brazilian memes. Why? Even if you can translate it, why should you stop your timeline and your feed? Go to Google Translator.
Because you know,
and translate it.
if you like a girl's posts enough, she will lick your sword.
You never like my posts.
See, that's reverse psychology. I never show any appreciation, and now you love me.
Yeah, it's true.
That's how it works.
Give up, Kyle. Give up.
Give up, Kyle. You're trying too hard.